Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LinkedIn privacy settings for profile and ad preferences, detailed guide step by step clearly. To adjust your LinkedIn privacy settings, begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture. On your profile page, locate the Me icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Me icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. You will be directed to a new page with various settings. In the left-hand sidebar, select the Privacy tab to access privacy settings. Start by reviewing the options under Who can see your profile photo. Here, you can choose between different visibility settings. Adjust this setting based on your preference for profile visibility. Next, scroll down to find Who can see your connections. You can decide if you want your connections to be visible to others or not. Continue down to Profile Visibility off LinkedIn. This option allows you to adjust your visibility to search engines and non-LinkedIn users. Toggle this setting according to your comfort level. Next, locate Sharing Profile Edits. You can choose whether or not to notify your connections when you update your profile. Moving to Profile Visibility for external viewers, toggle this to decide about visibility for non-connections. Additionally, find the Data Privacy section. Click on the Add Preferences link within this section. Here, you can manage how LinkedIn shows you ads. Review the options and adjust them to suit your preferences. If you want to limit how personalized your ads are, select the relevant settings. Return to the Privacy Settings page. Focus on Manage your active sessions to review where you are currently logged in. You can also end any session that seems unfamiliar. Finally, always remember to save any changes you made throughout this process. After securing your privacy settings, you are now better protected while using LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.